Good morning, Delcy and Cheyenne and Ashley and Emily. It's Monday morning and we have today and we have tomorrow. And Lord willing, I'll be teaching in person. Today, please open your language books to page 55. We're doing page 55D to page 56, so it's super short. Have your pencils ready for page 55D, the first sentence. You're supposed to underline your verbs twice, your subjects once. The evangelist ministered to the church and was blessed by their constant prayers. Our verbs are ministered and was blessed. Remember your helping verb, it's very important. Who ministered? The evangelist. You also need to diagram. Number 2, it says, in the instructions on a separate sheet of paper, diagram the subjects and verbs from these sentences. You will need to do all of them, numbers 1 through 15. Now don't freak out. First of all, we have a short lesson. Second, you're only diagramming subjects and verbs, so it shouldn't take long. Once again, I want it numbered, number 1 through 15. I want it neat, so it's easy to score. So we're going to go ahead and diagram it now, so get a paper out, and you can follow along with me. Alright, so we have a compound verb and only one subject, a simple subject. So we're going to have a line and a rocket ship. The word evangelist goes here. The word ministered goes here. The connecting word and goes here. Ministered and was blessed. I'll just write it was blessed. Alright, the evangelist ministered and was blessed. Number 2, diesel engines burn cheap fuel and can perform heavy-duty work. Our verbs are burn and can perform. Remember your helping verb. What can burn and what can perform? Engines. Alright, so this is the same way. Simple subject, compound verb. So we're going to have a straight line, a rocket ship. Try to be neater than me. Okay. Engines go here. Burn goes here. Can perform goes here. Our connecting word and goes in the dotted line. You already did 2. You have 13 more. You're going to get it done in a flash. All right, pencils down. Please go to page 56. In this page, we're talking about complements. Now, there are some sentences that say complete thoughts with only a subject and a verb. For example, the sun has risen. It's a complete thought. The donkey balked, which means he kind of shied away. That's a complete sentence. There are other sentences that leave us hanging. For example, Miss Candace is, and if we stop there, it leaves us hanging. It needs a complement on the end. Let's say, Ashley broke. If I would just say that, we'd all be like, oh, what did Ashley break? It needs a complement after the word broke, or in the end part of the sentence. The way we find our complements is we ask who, whom, or what to find our complements. So let's go ahead and try some of these and you'll see what I mean. So exercise, underline each verb twice, each subject once. Draw a circle around each complement. So number 1, Samuel Morse invented the telegraph in the 1830s. What's our verb? Invented. Who invented? Samuel Morse. It's his whole name, so underline it. If we would just say Samuel Morse invented, it would leave us hanging. So to find our complement, we say Samuel Morse invented what? Samuel Morse invented the telegraph. So you would circle the word telegraph. A hint, when you're looking for complements can never be in prepositional phrases. So if you're really stuck on one, find prepositional phrases. It eliminates a lot of words. Number 2, this device, I think it's number 2, yeah. Allowed lost. Did I write that wrong? No, I didn't. This device, what was I thinking? This device allowed long distant communication by using codes of electrical pulses. What's our verbs? Allowed. Any other verbs? I don't believe so. What allowed? Devices. Now to find our device. So to find our complement, we say device allowed what? Device allowed what? Communication. So the communication is our complement. Remember, complements complete sentences and make them make sense. Notice that these are a lot of words. You could have maybe accidentally circled codes or pulses, but notice this, they're in prepositional phrases. And so that takes out a lot of words. So finish page 56 and then you're finished. And that's all. Hope it goes good and happy Monday to you.